Hello guys, I have come to the beautiful place called Aathirapalli Waterfalls. So I was in Thrissur. Today morning I took a bus to Chalakudi, because from Chalakudi only you will get the private bus to Aathirapalli Waterfalls. The last stop of the private bus is Aathirapalli Waterfalls. I took a ticket of 50 rupees for adults without any camera and vehicle. So yeah, I'll show you around. So I have reached the top of Aathirapalli Waterfalls. The waterfalls is actually below. I think this is the start of the river, and I'll show you. The river flows from here and it goes down from that side. I'll go down to see the waterfall, but I'll have a quick bath. You can see the people are having their bath. I think the water is very good, clean, pure. So here there's another rule. If you are taking plastic bottles with you, like the one I have, they put a sticker on it and they charge you 10 rupees. I mean, it's a deposit. If you bring back the bottle, you get the 10 rupees back, which means you've not thrown the bottle anywhere in an unrestricted area. I think they should charge 100 rupees, because there will be still some idiots who would throw their bottles and not care about the 10 rupees. So I'll have a quick bath and then I'll go down and see the waterfall. So stay tuned. Show you clicking photographs. This is the best place for meditation actually. The only thing is it's quite sunny. It's very hot in Kerala. I think the water is cool and giving the relief to the people. So I had a bath. Now I'm going to see the full view of the waterfalls. It's very hot. After the bath, I think I had another bath with sweat. And as much easy it is to climb down the hill, it would be more difficult to climb up. You can see the falls from here, and you can listen to the sound. So let's go down. So finally I've reached the place where you can see the waterfalls. There are 2 or 3 beautiful waterfalls, and it's pretty long. It's pretty high, I would say. Let's go near it. And so I was up there and I've come down to this level. They have barricaded all the deadly places because it's very slippery down there. Oh, beautiful. I think it would be fabulous during the rainy season. Yo. Nice. Oh, I'm getting drops of water down till here. The water is cool for this hot weather. This is it. This is the place till where I can go. You can't have a bath here. You can only have a bath up. The beauty of waterfall and the beauty of gravity. One more closer look at the beautiful waterfalls, Aathirapalli Waterfalls.